children.
Hello, curious explorers in the Park of Knowledge. Before real computers existed, they lived in the mind of a brilliant mathematician. He imagined a simple machine that became the foundation of all computer science today. We call this machine the Turing Machine. I invite everyone to discover how this unusual theoretical computer model works. On the Viewpoint Hill, I met the parrot and the guinea pig. The parrot was sure that the Turing machine was a magical writing device that always knew what the writer wanted to say. The parrot explained that you only needed to put a blank page in front of it, and it would write the most beautiful poem in the world by itself. The guinea pig, on the other hand, thought it was a kind of very complicated treadmill for exercise. The guinea pig said you had to run on it in the right rhythm to see the results of hard math problems on a screen. I explained to them that the Turing machine is neither a magical poet nor an exercise device. It is a simple mathematical model that shows how, by using a few basic rules, you can solve any problem, even the most complicated one. By the pond, I met the dog and the cat. The dog shared that once he learned a new trick by following his owner's instructions step by step. Sit, give a paw, bring the ball. Each instruction was simple, but together they made a complicated sequence. The cat added that when hunting a mouse, he also follows a certain plan. First, he watches, then sneaks up, and finally attacks, changing what he does depending on what the mouse does. I agreed with them that these are great examples. The Turing machine works in a similar way, following simple instructions one after another and reacting to what it sees in front of it. In the stone corner, I met the ladybug and the frog. I decided to check what they knew and ask them about the Turing machine. The ladybug explained that it is a theoretical model made of an endlessly long tape divided into cells and a head that can read and write symbols on this tape. The frog added that the machine works based on a set of simple instructions. Depending on its current state and the symbol it reads, it can change the symbol and move to a new state. I praised them for their knowledge and summed up that this simple machine can carry out any algorithm that a modern computer can do. Dear explorers, today we learned about the Turing machine, a brilliant idea in its simplicity that became the cornerstone of computer science. We understood that every complicated computer program can be broken down into a series of very simple steps, done one after another with symbols. This proves that the biggest ideas often come from the simplest concepts. I hope this lesson inspires you to think. See you again in the Park of Knowledge.